Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, we will be learning elimination method to solve the system of linear equations in two variables. So let's get started. My first set of equations is 3x minus 4y equals 10, x plus 3y equals minus 1. As the name elimination method is telling you, we need to eliminate one of the variables in the first step, and then we will find the value of the another variable in the second step. So which variable needs to get eliminated? Your choice. So if you want to eliminate variable x, make their coefficient same. If you want to eliminate the variable y, make their coefficient same. In these equations, I can see that if I want to eliminate this x variable and I want to make their coefficient same, here x coefficient is 1. So if I just multiply this second equation by 3, this will become 3x. And my coefficient of x would be same in both the equations. So let's do it. So first equation, second equation. My first equation would remain the same. Let's multiply second equation with 3. So 3 times 1x is 3x plus 3 times 3 is 9y. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. And see, our equations, our coefficients are same. So this is the case in which we just multiply one of the equations with a suitable number to make the coefficient of x equal. Now subtract these two equations, change the signs. 3x minus 3x is 0, and so they will cancel out each other. And look, we have eliminated the variable x. That's why we made their coefficient same. What happened to y? Minus 4y minus 9y is minus 13y equals 10 added to 3 is 13. Divide by minus 13 on both the sides. Minus 13 divided by minus 13 is 1. That means 1y or y equals minus 1. That's my value of y, minus 1. Now, once I get the value of y, I will put it back in either equation 1 or equation 2 to find the value of x variable, which I eliminated as the first step. So whichever equation you want to put back, it's like totally your choice. I will put it in like first one. So 3x minus 4y equals 10. So it's 3x minus 4, y value is minus 1 equals 10. So 3x minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4 equals 10. 3x equals 10 minus 4. It's just a linear equation in the variable x. So 3x is equal to 6 divided by 3, and x comes out to be 2. So what is my solution set? x2 and y equals minus 1 is the solution for this system of linear equation. Sometimes in some books they write it like this also, 2 comma minus 1 is the solution, because the first coordinate corresponds to x and the second coordinate corresponds to y. So that's our solution for these two equations. Next question. 5x minus 2y equals minus 19. 2x plus 7y is equal to a. Which variable you want to eliminate, x or y? If x, make their coefficient same. If y, make the coefficients of y same. I will do both side by side to give you a good comparison, and you will see that the answer would come out to be same, and it's completely your choice whichever variable you want to eliminate first. So let's make the coefficients of x same. How will I make the coefficients of x same? It's 5 and this is 2. The common multiple of 5 and 2 is 10. So I will make them 10. In other words, multiply the first equation with this 2, the coefficient of x in the second equation, and multiply the second equation with this 5, the coefficient of x in the first equation. 2 times 5x is 10x minus 2 times 2y is 4y equals 2 times minus 19 is minus 38. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 7y is 35y equals 5 times 8 is 40. And see, the coefficients of x are same. Subtract the equations and 10x minus 10x is 0. So the x variable is eliminated. Minus 4 minus 35 is minus 39. So I get minus 39y on this side equals minus 38 added to minus 40 is minus 78. Divide by minus 39 on both the sides to get the value of y as 2. Put this y equals 2 in either of these equations to get the value of x. I will put it in the first equation. So it is 5x minus 2y equals minus 19. So it's 5x minus 2 times 2 equals minus 19. So 5x equals this minus 19 and this minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. When shifted on that side will give you plus 4. Minus 19 plus 4 is minus 15. So divide by 5 on both the sides and my value of x comes out to be minus 3. So what is the solution? 3 comma, sorry, minus 3 comma 2. On this side, I will make the variable coefficients of y variable same and I will eliminate y first. So let's do it. So 5x minus 2y is minus 19 and 2x plus 7y equals 8. Now I'll multiply first equation with this 7 and I'll multiply second equation with this minus 2, just 2. So 7 times 5 is 35x minus 7 times 2 is 14. So 14y equals minus 19 times 7 is minus 133. 2 times 2 is 4x plus 2 times 7y is 14y equals 2 times 8 is 16. And see, the coefficients of y are equal. In this case, this is minus 14y and this is plus 14y. We do not have to subtract it because they already have the different signs, opposite signs. So they will cancel out. It will give me 0. 35x plus 4x is 39x equals minus 133 plus 16 will give me minus 117. Divide by 39 on both the sides to get the value of x as minus 3. Put x equals minus 3 in either of these equations. I'll put in the second one. So 2x plus 7y equals 8. So 2 times minus 3 plus 7y equals 8. 7y is equal to 8. This is 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. When shifted that side, plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. Divide by 7 on both the sides and y comes out to be 2. So my solution set is x is minus 3 and y is 2. And see, these two are equal. So whether you eliminate x variable first or you eliminate y variable first by making their coefficients equal, it's completely your choice and the answer would come out to be same. My last example would be 4x minus 2y is equal to 18 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now, this is the case where you can see that the coefficient of y are already equal. So, do we need to multiply the equations with some number? No, they're already equal. Just add them because it's minus 2y and this is plus 2y. When I add them, they will cancel out each other. Minus 2y plus 2y gives you 0. So, 4 plus 3, 7x equals 18 plus 10, 28. Divide by 7 on both the sides and x would come out to be 4. Put x equal to 4 in either of these equations. I'll put in the first one. So 4x minus 2y equals 18. So 4 times 4 minus 2y equals 18. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 2y is 18. So minus 2y gives me 18. This plus 16 when shifted that side will give me minus 16. So I get minus 2y is equal to 18 minus 16 is 2. Divide by minus 2 on both the sides and y comes out to be minus 1. So my solution for this system of linear equation is x4 and y minus 1. Now, sometimes the questions ask you to verify your solution. What do you mean by verifying solution? Like put this value of x and y in these equations. If your left side comes out to be equal to right side, it means your solution is correct. Okay, so let's do that. My first equation is 4x minus 2y equals 18. What is x? It's 4. Put x as 4 minus 2. What is y? Minus 1. 4 times 4, 16. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. Is 18 equal to right side of 18? Yeah, they're equal. So that means my solution is correct. Let's put it in the second equation also because we need to check for both equations. Yeah. So 3x plus 2y equals 10. So 3 times x is 4 and 2y is minus 1. So 3 times 4, 12 minus 2 is 10. Is it equal to right side? Yeah, it is equal to right side. So left side is equal to right side, and so my this solution is correct. So that was the elimination method to solve the system of linear equations. And what next? Graphical method. Check out my next video to learn the graphical method of solving the system of linear equations of two variables. Until then, keep learning, keep simplifying. Thank you so much. Good luck. See you in the next one.